Lafayette Red Devils head coach Marshall Overly, his coaching staff and the Westside players continue to get ready for this Friday's road game against the Blue Devils of Tipton. The Red Devils have posted wins over Crawfordsville, Lewis Cass, Delphi, and Benton Central in jumping out to a 4-0 start. And the defense is just one of many things that impresses you about a football program that won the Class 3A state championship just 2 seasons ago, as the Red Devils D has allowed just 12 points all season. The offense has also been good, averaging just over 40 points per game. But the Red Devils tell Sports Team 18's Kayla Martin that they will have to play at an even higher level this Friday against a quality opponent.
We're going to have our first really big challenge this week, and I'm going to be interested to see how we respond. Our offense has been clicking pretty well this year. A couple rough starts, but generally very good, and our defense is getting better and better each week.
It's going to be a great atmosphere. We're all excited. We're going to be excited all week. They're a good team. They've got a lot of good players. They've lost one game to a good Heights team. So, I mean, it's going to be some good football, hard-hitting.
Tipton, they've got strength. They run the ball. They throw the ball. They got that big, strong quarterback who's hard to bring down. So it is a complete team. But we want to do that because where we want to go in this season, as the season goes on, then the tournament goes on, this tells us just how close we are to being where we think we can be.